Today we're going to go over the top 5 reasons why you need to use turmeric. Make sure you watch until the very end to discover how turmeric can actually help your thyroid, which is crucial for your health. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss when we upload new videos. Number 1. Maybe one of the best known advantages of turmeric is its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can grow in the body for a variety of reasons. Chronic inflammation frequently starts out positive to help repair the body, but evolves into a residual condition that persists for months or years when the immune system response fails to eradicate the problem. Chronic inflammation is usually described as painful, red, dry, or swollen. Chronic inflammation has been shown to cause illnesses such as cancer, arthritis, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and more. Turmeric has been shown to have a substantial anti-inflammatory effect, strong enough to equal the efficiency of certain inflammatory drugs. Number 2. Stunningly, one of the most significant and fascinating uses for turmeric is cognitive health. Conditions such as dementia can happen due to inflammation of the brain. Increasing these inflammatory mediators may cause brain cell damage or impair their function, which may lead to cognitive impairment, memory loss, and other conditions. Turmeric contains a compound called coumarin, which is an outstanding antioxidant that helps combat oxidative damage and free radicals that our brain is susceptible to in conditions such as Alzheimer's. Coumarin also helps to detoxify heavy metals, and heavy metals are major criminals that can rob the brain structures. Number 3. Now we know that turmeric is a fantastic source of vitamins and minerals, including manganese. Manganese helps to keep proper thyroid function. Thyroid glands play a vital role in our overall well-being. Thyroid glands release hormones that control the metabolic rate of the body, regulating heart, muscle, and digestive activity, as well as cognitive development and bone maintenance. If it does not function at maximum performance, it can cause life-altering symptoms that affect your health and happiness. Number 4. Turmeric is a great source of vitamins and minerals such as iron, fiber, vitamin B6, copper, and potassium. We know that iron is mainly a source of energy because it helps to metabolize proteins and plays a role in the development of hemoglobin and red blood cells. You don't necessarily need to just get iron out of red meat because it can cause a strain on the body. Turmeric is a perfect meat-free iron source. As well, the vitamin B6 intake helps to promote coenzyme production and protect the immune system. It can also be beneficial on things like metabolism, PMS, hormones, and skin conditions. Number 5. Lastly, the health benefits of turmeric go beyond internal health. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric can improve the complexion of skin when topically applied. This can increase the radiance and control oily skin. Something to note if you are suffering from eczema is that turmeric can help. Eczema is related to chronic inflammation, and those with eczema know the pain of suffering from dry and itchy skin. Now, there are many ways to incorporate it into your diet. You can add it to your eggs for breakfast or maybe a spice on your meats. You can even saute it with rice or your favorite vegetables. You can even go as far as making tea out of it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips and much more.